Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Bifrost Wallet application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search box and then search for Bifrost Wallet. Once you find the Bifrost Wallet application, go ahead and tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on the update button to start the update. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will begin the download and installation of the latest updates for the Bifrost application. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and then when you see the open button once again, you can go ahead and tap on it to open up the Bifrost application. And now the app has been updated to the latest version and all of the bugs will be fixed. And the application will be running smoothly as it is supposed to. You can continue to create a new wallet or log into an existing one by tapping on the respective buttons to start using it right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to update the Bifrost Wallet application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.